So hi guys, yesterday guys we were selling this. So we hit our first target guys. After that guys the price came back down again. If you go to the 1 minute guys, look I faced on the right side. I faced about two losses because I used two positions, so it considers both of them as losses. But one trade, the big profit guys made up for all of those losses. So this is called risk management. Anyways guys, whatever you want to do, that is up to you guys. So knowing where to enter and knowing where to take profit is part of the game. It is not all of the game. You need to have entry conditions that help you enter at a better position. Okay, guys, that's why I never use buy limits and sell limits because they suck. Anyways, guys, getting rid of all of these drawings, hiding the indicator. Guys, in my opinion, we are bearish and we are truly bearish, guys, as long as the price stays below 1.33889, guys. Okay, guys. So I mark this support at 1.3572, guys, because I think this support area should act as a resistance as well, and this is proof that it is acting as resistance. So that is why I mark this area, guys. And guys, my first target would be the low at 1.332029, 1.33029. And guys, my next target, guys, would be 1.32614. And guys, if you break above this, I would always start buying, guys, once the price breaks above 1.34016. And guys, my target would be, I keep one target, and that, guys, would be 1.35, sorry, 34514. So let's see what the AI says. Okay, let's start the analysis, execute. So the analysis is done. Of course, guys, it's bearish. Bearish continuation. Price has formed a low high on 1H chart, and the expectation is for a new low to form, continuing the sequence. The session for Thursday, 5th March, is another session, high volume period. Okay, blah blah blah. The session, it's okay. MTF, the higher time frame zoomed out chart provides a strong bearish directional bias. The lower time frame 1H is used for execution, identifying a specific lower highs pivot invalidation level for a short term period. Let's copy its levels and paste them on the chart. Back to the 1H. So guys, invalidation price is 1.3390. Okay, it's the same as ours. Yeah, it's the same as ours. Right, it's right in here in this zone. The target one is 1.32950. Yeah, okay. Almost the same as our first target. And the second target is, guys, 1.3260. Exactly the same as our second target. If it breaks above it, its target is 1.4200. Okay, it's going for this target, the one I mentioned before. The first target I marked, but I went for the second one because I felt if it breaks above this, it has to make a higher high. So I think it will go till 1.34568. So there's that, guys. Wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money selling this pair, and see you guys tomorrow. Also, let me adjust this. Here, my entry is 1 point. Yeah, yesterday's entry zone is fine, I guess. Profit target, yeah, it's all of yesterday's is fine. Now, the other target I should move it to 614. Yeah. Okay, guys, take care and see you guys tomorrow.